Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best percale sheets on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Lin Home Percale Sheets. Transform your bedroom into a cozy haven with Lin Home Percale Sheets. Made from 100% cotton, these sheets are weaved using high-quality, long staple, combed yarns, resulting in a soft and luxurious feel that you will love. With high tensile strength, you can trust that these sheets will stand the test of time, wash after wash. The fitted sheet included in this set features deep pockets and elastic all around to fit mattresses up to 16 inches deep. What we like about it: ultra soft and luxurious fabric, pull and shrink resistant, uniform weave with high tensile strength. What we don't like about it: not available in bright shades. Number 2. Lane Linen Percale Sheets. The Lane Linen Percale Sheets are the epitome of luxury bedding. This set includes everything you need for a comfortable night's sleep, including one flat sheet, one fitted sheet, and 2 pillowcases. Made from 100% organic cotton, these sheets are cool and crisp to the touch, making them perfect for those warm summer nights. The long cotton fibers are mercerized, ensuring that the sheets maintain their luxurious feel and durability even after multiple washes. The fitted sheets have elasticized corners with deep pockets to fit mattresses that are up to 15 inches thick, while the flat sheet is extra long to cover your mattress and the sides of your bed. What we like about it: soft and comfortable fabric, elasticized edges for a secure fit. What we don't like about it: may shrink after washing. Number 3. Sleep Mantra Percale Sheet. The Sleep Mantra Percale Sheet has been designed and crafted to provide a comfortable and refreshing sleeping environment. The GOTS certified cotton is developed with natural materials, providing you with an eco-friendly and non-toxic sleeping option. The percale weave is lightweight yet crisp and cooling, a great alternative to other heavy Egyptian or sateen sheets. The set includes one flat sheet, one elasticized fitted sheet with a 14-inch deep pocket, and 2 standard pillowcases. What we like about it: easy to wash, eco-friendly option, really soft and cooling. What we don't like about it: might pill after a while. Number 4. Feather and Stitch New York Percale Sheets. The Feather and Stitch New York Percale Sheets offer the perfect blend of style, comfort, and quality. The set includes one fitted sheet, one flat sheet, and 2 king-size pillowcases that will fit any standard or oversized pillow. Crafted from 100% cotton and rich percale weave, these sheets are not only incredibly soft and buttery smooth but also ultra comfortable and breathable, so you won't have to worry about waking up covered in sweat. What we like about it: premium weave for a crisp feel, lightweight and breathable, easy to clean and maintain, available in beautiful patterns. What we don't like about it: limited color variety. Number 5. Fab Dreams Percale Sheets. Get ready to immerse yourself in a blissful slumber with the Fab Dreams Percale Sheets. This set comes packed in a beautiful tote bag and includes one flat sheet, one fitted sheet, and 2 pillowcases. Crafted from 100% pure, GOTS certified, organic cotton and loomed with the utmost care, these percale sheets are crisp and cool with a moisture-wicking texture perfect for hot sleepers. The fitted sheet has deep pockets that can accommodate mattresses up to 17 inches high, and its all-around elastic prevents it from slipping off or bunching up. These percale sheets are not just comfortable but also eco-friendly. What we like about it: soft and buttery texture, moisture-wicking and breathable fabric, eco-friendly, organic cotton, deep pockets for a snug fit. What we don't like about it: prone to wrinkling. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.